Hi guys, welcome to my channel and to today's video. My name's Debbie if you don't know me, and today I'm going to be showing you lip swatches of the Kaleidos Makeup lipsticks, the Lip Tonics and the Lucid Lips. I've got the full set because I'm on the PR list, lucky me. So they are really nice products. I've been trying out the first bundle that came out. They brought out 3 Lucid Lips and 3 Lip Tonics. Been trying those out in videos and just behind the scenes as well, and really like them. I've received the new red ones as well, the ones that were released for the Lunar New Year, so I've got them all to show you. So what I'm going to do is hold up the colour and then I'm going to lip swatch it for you and show you what it looks like, and I'm going to live lip swatch these so that I've not pre-filmed it, so hopefully that'll go okay and I can remove them in between. We'll see how we go, but I'm going to start with the Lucid Lips because I think they'll be easier to remove so that I can get on to the next one. So the first one I've got is this beautiful kind of, it's aqua blue base to it and it's got some pinky purple shimmer, and the name of it is Crystalize. It's just stunning. It's really, really pretty. So that's that one on. It's super, super pretty. I'm not really a gloss person. I like a bold, dramatic lip. If you know my channel well, you'll know this. But I've really been getting into these lip glosses because sometimes if I've got a really dramatic look on my eyes, it does help bring things down a tad. And also today I've deliberately gone with a bit more of a neutral eye. And I've used the Kaleidos Makeup Cyber Bronze palette and just done something really basic because I wanted to show off the lipsticks, but I think a lip gloss like this goes really well for a neutral look like that while still having something a little bit special about it. So of the 2 lip glosses, there is another one coming in a second. This one is my favourite, but they're both beautiful. So that one, as I say, was Crystallize, and then we've got this one which is Fantasize, and this one's a lot more peachy in tone with like a gold sparkle, but again really, really beautiful. So that one is Fantasize. It's quite nice on my colour, and I think if you're like a pale English rose like me, then this colour's really pretty and neutral and but sparkly too. So I wore this one on Christmas Day and my mum loved it, so if it gives you an idea, it's just so natural but pretty. So yeah, that's that one, which was Fantasize. Next up from the Lucid Lips is Mesmerize, which is this one here. This one's a more opaque gloss, so it's got pinky tones in it and it's not nearly as sheer as the others, like a pinky mauve. So that's Mesmerize on the lips. Lovely mauvey pink, easy one to wear that would go with lots of different looks, I think. If you're looking for something glossy but with some colour, it's perfect for that without being too much in your face colour that you've got to keep renewing all the time. You know, all glosses have got a bit of stick to them, but they're not overly sticky. They're a comfortable formula to wear, which is why I don't like lip gloss. I always get my hair in it, and I mean they'll still do that because they've got a bit of stick to them because that's gloss, but yeah, they're not too gloopy as such. You know, they're a nice formula as glosses go. That one is Mesmerize. At the same time, they brought out 3 lip tonics and they all look quite similar, so trying to choose them by looking at the tube might be quite difficult, so I thought this video might be useful for that because they are quite different when they're on the lips. So first up is this one, which is Infusion. So that one's Infusion, quite a warm tone nude, really, really pretty though. Got some caramelly warmth to it. Really, really like that one actually. And I'm not really a neutral lip lover, but I do like it. It's got an interesting tone to it. Okay, as I say, so that one was Infusion. Next up we have Injection. So that's the shade for that one. A bit more orange in tone in that one. Goes nicely with the eye look that I think today. Again, that one was Injection. And then my personal favourite of the three is this one, Immersion. The worst application ever. I'm getting worse with each one that I do. Hopefully you can see the shade, but that one's the shade Immersion, and it's got some rose sort of tones to it, so more pinky in tone than the other two. Goes with so many different looks, this one. I've worn this one quite a lot and really like it, because for nudes for me I like them to be a little bit more interesting. They've got to have a little bit of tone to them, and I think this one just has something special about it. So this is definitely my favourite of the three. So that one's Immersion. Then last but not least is the two reds that were released for Lunar New Year. These look stunning, and I'm excited because I've not played with these at all. So this is going to be live lip swatching first impressions for me. And these, if you order them right now, you get them in this packaging. They always come in this kind of a box with like, it's like a bit of cotton that you can take off like that. And then the box kind of splits open and your lipstick's inside. So incredible packaging, but this particular red packaging like this is limited edition just for the Lunar New Year, and then they're going to go into their normal packaging. I always keep my packaging. They've been at the back of my background for a week or two now because they just look so pretty. Now one of these reds is matte, which is Ambition, and that's the one I'm going to be putting on first, and then Collision is a metallic. I'm going to end with the metallics. I think that's the one I want to wear all day to work. This one, as I say, is Ambition. So that one then is Ambition. Beautiful, beautiful true red. It's just gorgeous. I love a red lipstick. Red has my heart. I did a red favourites video, all my red lipstick favourites. I'll link that up in the cards for you. But had I had this one at the time, this would definitely have been in there because, oh wow. That is a stunning, stunning red. Just a true red. Gorgeous. Okay, last but not least then we have Collision. And that one is Collision with a beautiful metallic sheen to it, but it's not overly metallic. Like if you don't like metallic lips, I think you might still like it because it's got a sheen to it, but it's not too glittery, just a bit of a slight sheen to it. So really, really gorgeous. So as I say, I really, really love them, really impressed with them. You can pick them up for $16 each. They quite often have multi-buy discounts. And you know, if you're buying, say, the two together from the Lunar New Year bundle, the reds, I think there's a discount on those. So I'll leave a link to the Kaleidos website down below. so that you can check them out for yourself and decide whether you want to pick any up. As I say, highly recommend them. It's just finding the shade with the right undertone for you if you're going for a neutral that you prefer. But for my money, you can't go wrong with the reds. So I hope you've enjoyed watching, guys. If you have, then please hit the like button for me. Comment down below if you've got any of these. Are you going to pick any of them up? But that brings us to the end of this one. So hope you're having a lovely day or night wherever you are. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.